You're probably not using ChatGPT 5 anywhere near its full potential, especially if you're working in UI or UX. Today, I'm gonna show you 9 design tasks that you can now run inside ChatGPT 5 that were unreliable or simply impossible with GPT-4. If you design, develop, or build interfaces of any kind, this will change how you work. Hi, my name is Jad. Over the past week, I've been stress testing GPT-5 for UI/UX workflows, and the difference compared to GPT-4 is noticeable. This isn't just a smarter model. These are tangible, practical improvements you can plug into your workflow today to work faster and make better decisions, and even become more efficient without losing quality. I've posted all of my ChatGPT 5 research inside of the AI Tooltip community, and I'm building a new prompt library specifically for GPT-5 alongside my product design prompt library. Members also get 3 in-depth courses on AI adoption and product design. If you're a designer, developer, or entrepreneur, check out aitooltipcommunity.com. We'd love to have you. Okay, so task 1 is multi-modal design briefs. ChatGPT 4 could either read your design docs or look at your screenshot. But the moment you tried combining them, the context gets messy. But now with GPT-5, you can hand it everything all at once. Your Figma exports, your style guide PDF, even your messy meeting notes. It digests all of it in one reasoning chain and gives you feedback that actually takes all of the info into account. This means there's way less instances where you catch it making a mistake and then replying, sorry, I forgot to include this or something. GPT-5 is multimodal and retains all of the information much more accurately. Task 2 is visual annotations on your UI. I love this one. I uploaded a screen and ChatGPT-5 doesn't just describe what's wrong with it. It annotates directly on the image file, like spacing issues, color contrast, or inconsistent icons. It will give you a downloadable annotated version of your design without regenerating it. That means you're looking at your actual file with your actual pixels, just with clear visual feedback baked inside of it. Task 3 is end-to-end UX process in one thread. GPT-4 was like a coworker with short-term memory loss. You start with research, then move into wireframes, and by the time you hit dev handoff, it forgot the original problem. GPT-5 will stay with you from start to finish, from analyzing analytics to suggesting UX fixes, to generating wireframes, and then all the way to writing developer-ready specs. One conversation, no context lost, and you won't feel the need to remind it of the initial problem. Task 4 is design system compliance checks. Paste in your design tokens and component rules, and ChatGPT 5 will scan any screen you upload to see if it matches your design system. It will tell you if the heading is using the wrong font weight, or if the button is off by a few pixels, or if the spacing is not consistent, and this is way less prone to hallucinations than GPT-4. It's checking against your rules, not making them up. Task 5 is pixel perfect UI prompts. If you tried generating UIs with AI before, you know that ChatGPT-4 was like a designer who gets the vibe but ignored the brief. If you've seen my previous videos, you know how I like to generate prompts for UX Pilot using ChatGPT. That way I make sure that all of my requirements are covered. Now with GPT-5, the output is structured and production ready. You get way closer to your actual design intent, and then you can feed it to UX Pilot with minimal cleanup. Task 6 is cross-tool context retention. Imagine you review a Figma screen and then write Jira tickets, then update a Notion doc. Your AI remembers everything. That's GPT-5. No need to re-explain what dark mode nav is or relinking the same Figma file. It keeps track across tools, tasks, and formats. And this will act like basically a project manager who understands your full product. Task 7 is realistic usability test simulation. This is a really cool one. You can now say, act like a 65-year-old with low vision trying to complete the checkout on this app. And GPT-5 will walk through this step by step, pointing out where the user would get frustrated or confused or stuck. It even nails the emotional cues. You could say this feels a little bit rushed, or I'm not confident I can complete this order. Now, this is not a replacement for real user testing, but it's a surprisingly effective pre-launch filter for big usability issues. Task 8 is on-brand UX writing variants. This is basically about microcopy in your product. All you have to do is upload your tone of voice guide once, and GPT-5 can instantly give you multiple variations for your buttons, tooltips, and empty states, all perfectly in line with your brand voice. This leverages the new capabilities where ChatGPT adheres to your requirements and to your style and to your tone of voice. This is much more improved over GPT-4, so you will notice that it's always accurate and follows your style, and everything will be consistent and on brand and ready to drop into the UI. Task 9 is PowerPoint presentations. With GPT-4 agent mode, creating a PowerPoint presentation was possible, but the quality of the presentations was very bad. Now with GPT-5 agent mode, you can create much better looking presentations with a lot more details and visuals. This is GPT-4 agent. You can see how the presentation is very basic. And then with ChatGPT-5 agent mode, I created this in the same chat with the same requirements, but with a new model. Much better outcome. So yeah, GPT-5 is not just a little smarter. If you're in your uiux, this is now a full-stack design partner. It can see your work and remember your context and follow your rules and actually give you actionable visual feedback. If you want me to make a deep dive tutorial on exactly how to run one of these workflows inside of ChatGPT-5, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and now go have fun working.